How to fix newly downloaded apps not showing on the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. So first, let's swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, scroll down, and in here tap on Home Screen in App Library. Then in here, you want to go to the newly downloaded apps section and tap on Add to Home Screen. After that, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen or in the app library, open up the App Store. Then in here, go and download an app. So for example, X. So I'm going to download this app. And then while that is downloading, I can browse down here to see what else is available. Right, so I'll go back to the top and I'll check on my app. So it is still downloading, but once it has finished downloaded, you should see it's available on your home screen. Now already there is an icon showing that it is downloading and it is installing. And that's it. So now you can see once the download has been completed, then it will appear on my home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.